Shuttered industrial metal gate hinges are some of the toughest in the world. These bolt-on hinges are suitable for heavy, commercial-style gates. From inside the gate, place one hinge into the desired position and mark the centre hole. A centre punch and hammer are recommended. Drill a pilot hole and then the larger hole. Repeat this process for top and bottom hinges. Ensure all holes are drilled level through the gate frame and post. Go back to the inside of the gate and place the top hinge into position. Take 4 9/16 of an inch or 14mm bolts with matching washers and nuts and secure the hinge to the gate frame. Repeat the fixing process for the bottom hinge. Obtain the desired horizontal alignment and gate gap. Use appropriate tools to secure the alignment of both top and bottom hinges. Your shuttered bolt-on gate hinges are now ready for use.